We have started a process. We're going to start trying to do one overlook a year. Every winter when we're not so busy, we're trying to revamp our overlooks. They're getting old, you know, and they just need replaced. The condition of the railing that was here, it probably would have been okay for another year. But other than that, you know, we probably would have ended up having to do a rush replaceal, so we're trying to just get ahead of the game, and they look 10 times better, as you can see. Basically, we came in, we had to take all of the old hardware off. We had to scrub it down. We had to use some grinders for some of it to get all the old rust off. We had to drill all new holes. I had to order all this wood. We had to get rough lumber actually to fit these old brackets because they were so old and a specific size that you can't just order anywhere. So we got to use a local sawmill, which was really nice. They did a wonderful job. These are all hemlock, actually. All the railings, the posts are not. We had to drill all of our holes and get all of our angles correct so that everything would line up good and look good and be high enough, not too high. We re-drilled most of the bolts that bolt the posts into the cliff. This section here, we actually roped up so that we could get out here and make sure that all of our bolts were lined up, because we had to have people on both sides. So, you know, we were in rope and harness for this whole section to make sure that we were good and safe and secure. The new railing here, it's a lot more sturdy, and I think it really just beautifies the overlooks and makes them look a whole lot better. Makes the experience of coming out here a lot better for folks, and that's our main goal, is to keep folks happy and safe.